Hey guys, so I was looking on how you can possibly fix the issue with your Hotpoint dishwasher and how you can reset it. So to reset it is pretty simple. So first, what you need to do, you want to switch the dishwasher off by pressing the power button. Then you just want to remove the power cord from the power outlet. Then you just want to wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to reconnect the power cord to the power outlet and press the power button on the washer. So this is how you're going to do it, and this is how it's going to work. So hope it helped you and what you can actually do. And even when we are going to look here, and this is like on and off reset button indicator light, so you can even like try to press and hold the power button for a few seconds. So that's something you can try to do.